You may not realize that while Nomura ramps up its US presence, including recent expansions into high-grade investment banking coverage, the stock has historically suffered through the summer months. Now, Nomura Holdings Inc. agreed to purchase Macquarie Group Ltd, a US and European public asset management business, for $1.8 billion this year. And now, Japanese banks are struggling with weak domestic loan demand and tighter US credit spreads. So Nomura is trying to increase its exposure to the US market, but it does so at a pretty vulnerable time. Now, the chart below shows you that the typical development of Nomura Holdings share price over the 25-year period between the year 2000 and 2024. And from May the 4th through to September the 25th, the stock has posted an average return of negative 8.10% with a success rate of just 28%. So out of these 25 years, 18 trades were losses. The maximum falls can be really quite significant, of over 40% on an occasion. So Nomura is not standing still. The firm is expanding into the US markets with its acquisition of Macquarie Group Ltd. But this pivot comes with a risk. The US market is currently grappling with recession fears, sticky inflation, and a volatile rate outlook. So there are sort of significant risks here. Technically, there is a very nice area for sellers around this 6 region. We've got this daily trend line that has been broken, a falling window, we've got 200 and 100 exponential moving average. So that is a nice area which is potentially attractive for sellers. Use Seasonax for your professional handling of market moving events. Sign up here for thousands more seasonal insights just waiting to be revealed. Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it. Trade risks. There are risks to this outlook, and if Nomura's earnings surprise to the upside due to deal flow in the US or stronger performance in yen-linked trading desks, seasonal weakness may be muted. Also, if there are easing US financial conditions or a pivot by the Fed, that could also support Nomura's US ambitions in the second half of this year.